Okay, so I'm not sure where the last video cut off, so just say this all again. You got a situation where your slope, where your rate of change is $50 per hour, okay? So you can immediately represent that like so. Now, if your rise is known to be $100,000, okay, or if you want to figure out something about $100,000, okay, if it's, yeah, dollars go this way because it's dollars over hours, right? Mm-hmm. Rise over run is dollars over run, right? So it looks like run had better be hours, right? Okay. Well, okay, given this information, our slope would be rise divided by run. And we were cautioning against getting the wrong expression for run, because a lot of people want to say run is slope divided by rise. Okay? Which is totally not consistent with this. If you take slope equals, run equals slope divided by rise, multiply by rise, you find that slope is rise times run, not rise divided by run. Now, you're not going to probably do that in your head, but if you want to think about it, go back to this video and work that out. Anyhow, do this carefully. You multiply both sides by run, you get slope times run equals rise. Then you divide both sides by run and you get, divide both sides by slope. You're trying to solve for run. You get run equals rise divided by slope, right? Not rise times slope, not rise, or not slope divided by rise, but rise divided by slope. Start with this equation that you're going to write down correctly and solve it carefully. Make sure you have this right, because this one is the confusing case.
You said multiply both sides by slope.
Yeah, we divided both sides by slope to get this. Yeah, if you got slope equals run times rise. So you get slope times run over slope equals rise over slope. Okay? So when you divide this out, you're left with run here equals rise divided by slope. Okay? Well, at that point, that is $100,000 over 50 hours equals
20,000.
2,000. It's not 50 hours. It's $50
an hour.
per hour. Okay? Now, I don't have room to work it out. You're going to multiply. It's going to be dollars times hours over dollars, right? So when you divide this by this, you get dollars times hours over dollars, which is hours. That's 2,000 hours.
Yes.
That's 50, 40-hour weeks. That's about a year, right?
Yeah, 1,000 a year.
Okay? So $50 an hour is 100,000 a year. Okay? So, that might be the question you're trying to answer with this picture.